So let's take a look at IBC 2018 changes that came with delayed egress. So in 2018, your delayed egress locking system code section is going to be Chapter 10, Section 10, 1.9.8.1. This is the first time where they decided to tell you where you can put delayed egress versus where you cannot put delayed egress. We're looking at a building that is fully equipped with either a sprinkler system, fire alarm system, smoke or heat type of a system throughout the building. So that is very distinctly called out within the code. The other thing is they said you can now add delayed egress to not only the common areas we're used to, business, factory, institutional, mercantile, residential, and utility, but also educational. For the very first time now, we can add delayed egress to an educational classroom with a load of less than 50 people. The other change that came about is dealing with courtroom buildings. So if I've got a courtroom building now, I can now add delayed egress on the back part of the courtroom opposite of the main entry, which means a door where the judge comes in, a door where the prisoner comes in, a door where the administrative people come in. I can add delayed egress to those back doors as long as I do not add delayed egress to the front main entry-exit doors. That was a pretty significant change. So 2018 brought some very significant changes to us, but one of the things I want to reiterate is that in no situation did I mention H as being someplace where you can add delayed egress. In 2018, they told you where you could do delayed egress, not where you cannot. And H is not on that list, so we cannot do delayed egress in H high hazard. Everything else from the basics of delayed egress, from loss of power, delayed egress will unlock. Activation of fire alarm system will unlock. Those standards stay the same. But there was another change that came along in 2018, and that change came along because it makes sense. So I'm going to take you back now to my institutional group of 4 blocks. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, and Group 4. In 2015, they gave us the capability of adding a second delay in a path of egress in a Group 2, foster care, detox, hospitals, nursing homes, psychiatric, and of course all my detention facilities, jails, prisons, reformatories. 2015, I got that capability. In 2018, they now added Group 1 and Group 4. Alcohol and drug rehab, assisted living facilities, group homes, halfway houses, residential care, adult daycare, and child daycare. I can now add 2 delays in a path of egress. 15 seconds, 15 seconds, no greater than 30 seconds. That was another additional change to the 2018 codes, which makes sense.